Hello, welcome to the lecture series on automobile engineering. In this session, let us discuss about transfer case. Basically, you find transfer case in four-wheel drive vehicles. So, the motion that comes from the transmission output shaft that will be transmitted to the front axle as well as rear axle. So both the axles will be alive. So the transfer case job is to transfer this motion. So now let us see this four-wheel vehicle drive. We can classify it as full-time four-wheel vehicle drive or full-time four-wheel drive. Similarly, part-time four-wheel drive. What do you mean by full-time and part-time? In full-time, all the four wheels are connected to the engine permanently. Correct? Sometimes some cars advertise as an all-wheel drive vehicle, AWD. Part-time four-wheel drive means whenever you want, you can engage and make the vehicle four-wheel drive. Otherwise, it will always be running in the two-wheel drive mode. Okay, now let us see the location of the transfer case. Earlier we have studied the anatomy of an automobile. In that you can clearly see that this is the powertrain part. Here we have the engine. Then we have the clutch, the transmission or the gearbox. The output shaft of the gearbox is where is connected to this transfer case. So the one shaft will be running to the rear wheel differential and another propeller shaft will be running to the front wheel differential. Okay, so that when the gearbox output shaft rotates, the motion is transmitted to the rear axles as well as the front axle. So both will become drive. So here you can see that there will be traction force in the rear wheels as well as the traction force will be available even in the front wheels. So this transfer case is what is it? It's a kind of you can call it as another gearbox which will receive the motion from the transmission shaft and transmits to the front and rear differential. There are different types of transfer cases. Let us discuss about these transfer cases. There are two types of transfer cases which are commonly used. One we call it as T18 transfer case, fitted on all utility vehicles. T18 is a two-gear transfer case, high gear and low gear, which are mechanically shifted. High gear ratio 1:1 and low gear ratio 2.46:1. Here the gears are of sliding mesh type, hence the vehicles needs to be brought to standstill before shifting. Other one is the Borg-Warner transfer case, fitted on some of the Indian vehicles like Scorpio, Bolero, mainly Mahindra make. So Borg-Warner is a two-gear transfer case, high gear and again low gear, mechanically or electrically shifted. High gear ratio 1:1, low gear ratio 2.48:1. Here gear reduction is through planetary gear system. Here you are sliding mesh type, here you are having planetary gear system. That's the difference between T18 transfer case and Borg-Warner transfer case. Now T18 transfer case, let us look at the mode of operation. Here I am talking about two-wheel drive mode of operation. You can see here in the transfer case, this is transferred to the rear differential, this is to the front differential. So this is the gearbox output shaft or transmission output shaft. You have a gear over here. This will drive this gear, correct. There is a reduction, again there is an increase, the same size, you can clearly see that. Then if I engage this, I'll be getting this motion, correct. Then you are going to get like now only the rear axle will become live. That's why it is a two-wheel drive. It is disconnected from the front axle, correct. So now next, here I bring this coupling. Next you can see here, if I bring the coupling over here, now whatever that is coming over here, again there is a reduction, again there is a up, right, a speed increase, correct. Right now you are transmitting the motion to the rear wheel differential as well as to the front wheel differential, and this is known as four-wheel drive mode. Four-wheel drive mode. This is what you call it as a four-wheel drive mode. Here, high mode. There is no reduction. There is no reduction. High mode. Now let us say low mode. What we mean by low mode? Again, you can see here from the gearbox shaft, it is driving this shaft. Then you can see over here, this is driving this one. This gear is larger than this gear, so there is a reduction in speed. Of course, you are going to transfer the motion to the rear differential as well as front. So you are further reducing over here. That's why it is called low mode. Four-wheel drive, low mode. Here it is four-wheel drive, high mode. Okay. This speed and this speed, you know, there is a reduction, but there is an increase. Finally, it will remain the same. So you understood transfer case T18, two-wheel drive mode, then four-wheel high mode, four-wheel low mode. You can say high gear ratio means 1:1, low gear ratio means 2.46:1. Now let us look at Borg-Warner. As I mentioned here, we are getting planetary gear, using planetary gear mechanism. Here it is mostly, it is sliding mesh type. So again you can very clearly see that here you have the transmission, let us say a gearbox. The gearbox output shaft will drive this sun gear. Correct. The sun gear directly coupled to this and it will get a rear. Correct. To the rear. If this is just chain drive is there, so you can also, if you couple it to this, you can give it to the front. Otherwise it will become simply two-wheel drive board like this. You have the sun gear, then you have the planet gear, then you have the ring gear. So just you couple like this, the motion is transferred to the rear wheel differential and only you will get the two-wheel drive mode. Now let us look at this way. Again you can see here I have connected this way. Also I lock this. So then you will get the motion over here. Correct. Four-wheel drive, high mode. There is no reduction or anything like that speed. That is the main thing over here. You will get high mode. So sun gear will drive this shaft. Okay, you'll get the motion transmitted to the rear differential. Again, when this pulley is locked or the chain is locked to this and this, then this will drive this also. Then the motion is transmitted to the front. Now let us look at the low mode. In the low mode you see here. First, the motion is transmitted from the sun gear to the planet gear, and that planet gear will drive this. Thus there is going to be a reduction. That's why it is called four-wheel drive low mode. Okay, only difference is that we are using here a planetary gear system. So engaging the gear will become much easier, but here we are using sliding mesh. So we have to stop the vehicle and engage, then once again you have to run. That's what exactly the difficulty in the transfer case of T18. In the BorgWarner, we do not have that kind of a difficulty. So these are the types of transfer cases that we use. Whatever I explain, if you have not clearly understood, probably you can play this YouTube video, you can understand how transfer case works. So this is the video actually, but you play this on YouTube. Okay, let us end the discussion on transfer case at this point, and in the next session we will discuss about Hotchkiss and torque tube drive. Till then, thank you very much.